In this video, we're showing you how to make a Game Pass and please donate on Roblox Mobile. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing to the channel. And once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like as well. We really do appreciate it, and make sure to watch this video right into the end to the full steps. So here we are, as you can see in Please Donate. Let's go and claim a stand. I want to quickly show you, currently I've got no Game Pass, which means I can't actually go and get donations. So I currently get this message here saying you have no items on sale for buttons to appear on your booth, put clothing or a Game Pass on sale and refresh. So therefore we need to go and put a Game Pass for sale, and then we can go and start getting donations. So let's go and leave off of this. Let's go and click up here, go and click leave, and you want to go back to Roblox. Now all you want to do is actually close off of the Roblox app, and what you need to do is go and open up the Roblox website on your browser. So Safari or Chrome, it doesn't matter, Android or iPhone. Then you want to go to roblox.com, and it's going to say continue in app. But what you want to do is look at the bottom, you've got this option for continue in browser. You want to go and click on that just there. Then it's going to go and take a moment to load, and here we are. Now what you want to do is actually go and request the desktop version of Roblox. So to do that, all you need to do is press those two letters in the bottom left on an iPhone, and if you're on an Android, you'll probably be in Google Chrome, and there's going to be three dots you need to click on in the top right or the bottom right. Click on there, and then you can go and click request desktop site, just like so. Here we are, and then I'm just going to go and log into my account, just like so. Press login, and then once you log in, it's going to look a bit more like the Roblox website, as you can see. I'm just going to go and close off the app at the top, and as I just said, do make sure you're on the desktop website version of Roblox. I am, so it looks a bit more like the desktop version. So you're going to click on create, just like so, and it's now going to load. And then all you want to do is, if you get this screen here, you want to go and click on manage my experiences. But if you've been in here before, you aren't going to get it. It's going to just look directly like this. So then you want to make sure you're on my creations, and all you want to do is go and click on passes on this left hand side. I'll click here, and as you can see, I haven't currently got any game passes. So that all you need to do is come up to this top to where it says create a pass, and what you need to do is go and click on find your image. You need to choose file. So I'm going to go and click choose a file from my photo library, as we're uploading a photo basically. So click on here, and I'm going to go and choose an image. So I want to use this image here. It's my logo. So I'm going to click choose, and then it's going to go and upload it. And then for the pass name, I recommend just actually naming it something, because this is what people are going to get if they go and donate to you. So I named the Game Pass Legendary Pass. I just added the description. Thank you so much for donating. Then once you've done that, all you want to do is click preview, just like so. And now it's going to go and show you what it looks like, and you just need to click verify upload. Now it's going to go and upload it. Now do keep watching, as we haven't actually finished, we haven't actually configured it. Then all you want to do is move across so you can see total sales, and then you've got this little settings cog here. All you want to do is click on it, and then you want to go and click on configure, just like so, and it's going to go and take us here. So here we are on the configuration page. As you can see, the image won't have loaded yet because we just finished uploading it. Then all you want to do is tap on general, and you want to go and click on sales. Now, as you can see, we need to go and put the item for sale, because if it isn't for sale, people can't donate. So go and turn it on, just like so. And now we need to go and set the price, and the price is the amount people can go and donate. And you've got to remember that creators only take home 70% and Roblox take home 30%. For example, if I want a donation for 10 Robux, I'm actually only going to take home 7 Robux, as you can see. So there we go. So I'm going to go and press save, just like so, and there we go. It's now successfully updated. So you can come and close off of the Roblox in your browser, just like so, and you can open up the Roblox app again. Now let's go and join Please Donate again. So tap on it, press play, and I'll catch up with you guys once it loads. So here we are in Please Donate. So let's go and claim this stand here. I'm going to go and hold it, just like so. And there we go. As you can see, we've now got that 10 Robux donation. And if I go and click on it, it's called the Legendary Pass, which is what we named it. And there we go, guys. It's that easy to go and make a Game Pass in Roblox Mobile in Please Donate. If you found this video useful, please go down below and consider subscribing to the channel. Leave a like for more. Peace.